Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is AEVEX wins $41 million US contract for one-way attack systems, invests in drone production capacity for contested operations. AEVEX Corporation has received a $41 million contract to deliver one-way attack systems to US government customers. The award expands the company's role in supporting priority operations. AEVEX linked the contract to sustained demand for unmanned capabilities that can be fielded quickly. The company said it will continue providing systems and mission-ready support to U.S. forces. Our customers rely on AEVEX to provide precision-driven systems that can be fielded rapidly and perform reliably in complex operational conditions, Chief Executive Officer Roger Wells said. This award reinforces that trust. Our one-way attack capability has been shaped by real-world missions, and we remain committed to delivering what the warfighter needs, when they need it, at scale, Wells said. AEVEX develops and produces autonomous systems and mission technologies for contested environments. The company is investing in higher production throughput, mission autonomy and field-focused design. AEVEX said the work aligns with requirements from the U.S. Department of War and international partners. U.S. Army soldiers tested the AEVEX Atlas at Grafenwohr, Germany, on July 25, 2026. The personnel were assigned to the 1st Combat Aviation Brigade, 1st Infantry Division. The field test evaluated Atlas under operational conditions. The Army said the work assessed its potential to improve mission effectiveness and battlefield readiness. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.